My name is Randy Lucas. I am the Director of Operations with E-Pak Manufacturing here in Worcester, Ohio. We are a company that builds trailers, roll-offs, and front-load, rear-loads, anywhere from about 20 feet long up to 53 feet long. And we do all of the welding and fabricating for those trailers here on site. We were struggling to find a way that we could make this much safer for our team members out there on the line and bring quality welds to our products. In doing research to try to find a better way to take us to the next level, I came across ALM positioners.
Right away when I got out on the floor, it became very obvious that they recognized that they had a need for more throughput, but they also recognized that they needed to do things safer, and so I knew that what we had would be a great solution for them, and this would be a great opportunity to bring Holbert Engineering in, which is one of our partners.
One of our biggest expertise is being able to provide that turnkey solution that the customer's looking for, that provides them with the safety they need, the efficiency they need, and the overall quality increase that they're looking for.
They were able to come here and see what we did here and how we manufacture parts here, and they built us a fixture that allowed us to customize the way that we built our trailer bodies that we have out there.
We were able to give them the right positioner and the right fixture that would do the multiple models that they wanted to do with a minimal amount of setup and changeover.
Once we received our positioner, it created a much safer work environment. We now can clamp our trailer bodies down where it eliminates bowing and different types of quality issues that we'd had in the past. For our team members out on the line, it's much easier for them to do their jobs with the positioning equipment that we have installed.
Positioner makes things a lot easier, puts the product in position for the welders so they're not in an awkward position themselves. The quality of our product has improved. Being able to put the piece of equipment in position allows them to weld a lot easier, but the efficiencies that I've seen, the change is tremendous.
From a productivity standpoint, our production has increased by about approximately 25% from the way we used to do things.
One of the greatest satisfactions for me is to truly provide a solution for a customer, to know and understand that it is providing exactly what they needed and wanted.
The biggest personal satisfaction that I received was spending the day out here with the first time they used the tool and seeing all the smiles on the operators' faces, seeing the kind of look to you and the nod saying, all right, we got what we need, this is awesome. And to me, there's nothing more rewarding than that.
The positioner has done a great job for us. Our entire team is very happy with it. It is a product that I would definitely recommend to anyone that was looking for something in any type of line of work that would utilize this type of equipment.